Hello everyone, welcome to Groups Gurukulam. This is Rahul presenting you the introduction to the Indian Space Program. This is the Unit 3 of Group 1 main syllabus of APPSC exam. We have come up with this series to cater to that chapter. So a brief introduction of ourselves. We are a team of UPSC interview attended candidates, and some of us have cleared groups exams. We have started this channel basically because we found that there is a vacuum in the market in terms of good content. Like they are dumping you content and they are not giving you a comprehensive idea of the subject. So we felt like there is a vacuum which can be filled up, and we want you to judge by the content and nothing else. So here are our website groupsgurukulam.com, and the Telegram channel link is also provided here. It will also be provided in the description below. You can join our channel. And just giving an introduction, what is Indian Space Program, especially in how is the chapter in Group 1 syllabus. It is the third chapter, as I've already told you, and also it is the most interesting chapter which I have felt in the entire 9 units of Group 1 syllabus. And basically because it needs you to have a knowledge of geography, it needs you to have a knowledge of gravitation, physics and all. And it is also like you have lots of animations going around, and it is also frequently in news, like every month there are launches. And this I felt like is the most interesting chapter, and it is more dynamic, as I've already told you that it is frequently changing. For example, right now we are talking about Gaganyaan. We are also talking about building our own space station in the orbit of Earth, and then later on maybe we can send humans beyond Earth's orbit towards Mars and all. It is never ending. It is getting updated every day, and it is more informative, and it is also application oriented chapter. And where do we start off? For any exam, you need to analyze the previous questions in order to prepare for that exam and score better. So that's why I have done a small analysis of previous year questions. Here, blue indicates that it is a concept, that the question was asked on concept rather than a specific mission. And green indicates that the question was asked on a current affairs related topic. For example, in this year, Mars orbiter mission was in news, and in the previous year also, Inside 3D or Chandrayaan, GSAT 5. So these are all current affairs, whereas the topics that are highlighted in blue, they are of concepts. For example, GPS, GSLV and PSLV, remote sensing, and then bandwidth, thermal band, Indian Space Program. These are all concepts which needs to be learned. So if you see from the analysis, you see that they are more blue in color, which means that concepts are being asked frequently. It is not that they are asking you from the concepts itself. It means that whenever something is in news, for example, here GPS is there. In that year, India has completed its constellation of Navik, and then Navik is based upon the concept of GPS. So they have asked GPS. So similarly, something like that should have been in news then, and it was asked. So our emphasis is both on, it is mix of both concepts as well as current affairs. And as I have already told you that if something is in news, the APPSC is expecting you to know the concepts behind it. So whatever the missions that are recently in news and the concepts behind it, they become very important for the exam. And this is how we are going to deal the concepts. Like this is our plan of how we are going to deal in the upcoming series of lectures. First, we will be dealing in the basic concepts, like if you are a starter, or if you are a senior player, you need to know some basic concepts. Only when you know, you will be able to understand. So initial lectures will be on the basic concepts like orbit, satellite, etc. And then later on, we'll move to more advanced concepts like Indian Space Program or GSAT, INSAT, IRS, or Cartosat, or remote sensing, whichever. Like these are theory oriented and questions can be asked on them anytime. And later on, we will move to current affairs, and this will be frequently updated based upon the topics that are in news. The current affairs like the Gaganyaan or Nisar satellite that is coming up, or the uh, recently India also launched a heavy communication satellite from Kourou. So those kind of topics will be dealt later on. And coming to who we are targeting it, we are targeting it both Group 1 prelims as well as mains. Right now, Group 1 mains is going to happen in immediate future. So our target will be Group 1 mains, and it will also be useful for Group 1 prelims, because in prelim syllabus it is mentioned. In Group 2 prelims also the syllabus is mentioned, like the applications of science and technology. So these lectures, this series of lectures will be helpful there also. And in UPSC also there is this concept of space technology. And if you are preparing for UPSC, you can use these lectures. And for any other competitive exams, if you want a general understanding of what is space and what are the missions coming up, so these are all the targeted audience for us. Okay, and all the best for you, and thank you for frequent updates and daily MCQs. Subscribe to our Telegram channel, which is mentioned above, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you.